Camcorders here at Best Buy. This one's an AX43. I kind of think mine's an AX44. I think this one replaced mine. It's $849.99. Then we got the AX53, $99.99. And then we got the real big one. It's the AX100. It's big and heavy. It's $1,500, $14.99. This one's $1,000, and mine is $849.99. I gave $500 for mine on Facebook Marketplace used. It was only used a couple times. I got a good deal. I got all kind of accessories with mine. I kind of think mine's an AX44. This one's a 43. It replaced mine.